Um, Gaya po ng lagi ko po sinasabi kay Dustin inside the house, hindi naman po kami nagmamadali. We have all the time in the world, and I think it's just natural, and it just feels right for us to start over again and get to know each other again, because the world that we've built inside the house is completely different from the outside world. So it's a whole new world to explore, and definitely also a whole new world to get to know each other again.
Ayun.
Ako, yung nasimulan namin sa loob ng bahay ni kuya ay, yung pakiramdam namin parang nasa totoong buhay rin naman kami.
Mhm.
So, for me, there's no reason for us to stop getting to know each other. But then, ngayon na nasa outside world na kami, ibang usapan din to ulit na para magsimula ulit sa day one. Madami kaming ulit na malalaman sa isa't isa. Madami kaming i-catch up. Madami kaming i-build pa na memories. So, yun, kagaya ng sinabi ni Bianca, hindi kami nagmamadali. So,
Oo.
we're taking our time.